In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to your Shopify app. By the end, you'll know how to safely embed your own code into your storefront using a dedicated app without digging into theme files or risking unintended theme changes. Start by signing into your Shopify admin and heading to the apps section. From there, open all recommended apps, then continue to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Mega HTML CSS JS Code Embed. Select the app from the results to open its listing. On the listing page, click Install, follow the prompts, and confirm the installation when asked again. After the permissions screen, choose Continue. You'll land on the app's welcome screen. Click the option to install it automatically. This creates an app embed for your theme, so your custom code can be managed safely and toggled on or off from the theme editor. You'll now see fields for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and optionally Liquid. Click into the HTML field and paste or write your markup. Keep it lean and semantic: divs, headings, buttons, forms, whatever you need. If your component should live in a specific area, consider wrapping it in a uniquely named container so you can target it with styles without affecting the rest of your theme. Next, move to the CSS field. Add styles that scope to your unique container or classes to avoid conflicts with theme styles. For example, prefix selectors with a custom class. This prevents unexpected overrides and keeps your design predictable. Keep CSS concise so it loads quickly. Then, open the JS field and add your JavaScript. If your code depends on the page being ready, wrap it in a DOM content loaded listener or an equivalent initialization. Avoid polluting the global namespace. Use function scopes or immediately invoked functions to keep variables contained. If you're manipulating elements you just added in HTML, target your unique container to stay isolated from theme scripts. There's also a Liquid field if you want dynamic Shopify data, like product titles or shop settings. Only use it if you're comfortable with Liquid syntax, and keep it simple to avoid performance issues. When everything looks good, click Save. This both embeds the app and applies your changes to the live theme. Give it a moment to process. If you ever need to adjust or disable your code, return to the same fields to edit or clear them, and save again. For safety, keep a backup of your code outside Shopify and make small, incremental changes so it's easy to trace issues. That's it. Your custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are now powering your